Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this cute crochet octopus. I used an F-hook, velvet yarn, and the eyes I did get from Amazon. The link is down below and the pattern is down below. So let's get started. Alright, so this is the velvet yarn. I got it from Michael's. It's really nice to use, great for this pattern. And this is the magic circle I'm starting with. If this is your first time, there are links on how to do this. Slip stitch into the magic circle, place your video in slow motion. If this is too fast, it will go faster as it continues. And grab the yarn, draw it up, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops for a single crochet. Repeat for a total of 6 single crochet. And then you will pull it closed. Okay, so pull it closed and slip stitch in the beginning stitch. This is your first round, and then you can work 2 single crochet in each stitch around for a total of 12. And you can start using a stitch marker if you'd like. I just keep track of it this round in my head. I know I'm going to do 6 times of 2 single crochet and then slip stitch at the end. And I like to use my tail as my stitch marker. You can use a stitch marker if you like. And then I'm going to single crochet my first stitch and then single crochet in the next stitch twice for an increase. So then 1 in the next and then 2 for an increase. So that is the pattern around 1 and then 2, 1 and then 2. Continue until you get to the beginning. Create a slip stitch and then 1 in the next 2 stitches, and then 2 in the next, which is an increase. So 1 in the next 2 stitches and then 2, and then repeat that around. Now in the next 4 rounds I'm going to work single crochet stitches, no increases. You can do increases if you want this bigger or use a larger hook. However, I made this one just a few inches, so just single crochet for a total of 4 rounds. And then slip stitch. Okay, so this is just the second round of the single crochet. You need a total of the 4 rounds of just single crochet, no increases. Then I'm going to single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then I'm going to do a decrease of 2 single crochet together. This is the invisible one. You can do it the regular way. So in the invisible, go to the first 2 front loops, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over and pull through 2. That is 2 single crochet together, and then work 3 stitches of single crochet. So 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then work an invisible 2 single crochet together. This is just a better way to disguise the decrease, or you can just do it the other way. So it's going to start closing the octopus, and then you can work one single crochet in the back loop in the next 2 stitches, and then in the back loop work 2 single crochet together because you need that back loop ridge to create the tentacles. So 1 and then 2 in the back loop in the single crochet, and then the invisible 2 single crochet together in the back loop. Continue that for this round. Okay, so I'm going to start stuffing the octopus. You can place the eyes inside as well before you close it, especially if you have backings to your eyes. I did mine after and had to glue them in because my backings for my eyes didn't come in from Amazon yet. Otherwise, I would have placed my eyes together or inside while I'm stuffing it, so they had the backing so they wouldn't pop off. If you never have the backings to your eyes, I would hot glue gun them in. So just stuff it the best you can till it's full. Okay, so now it's just going to do, you're going to do 1, 2 single crochet together, and then another 2 single crochet together in those front loops for the invisible one, and you're going to start doing that until it closes. And then once it closes, you're going to pull through your yarn and then weave in your ends with your needle. Okay, make sure you place your eyes while you were stuffing, and then slip knot onto your hook, and then in the back loop you are going to slip stitch in with your yarn. This is for the tentacles, and then you're going to work a double crochet 5 times. So yarn over. Anything that's a beginning stitch, please refer to beginning stitches down below. Work 5 double crochet into those back loops. You can place this in slow motion as well. And once you have those 5 double crochet, then go to the next back loop and slip stitch. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through, and then work 5 double crochet again in the next back loop. And then that is the pattern around 5 double crochet, slip stitch in the next stitch, and then repeat until you get back to the beginning. And then slip stitch and pull through, and then weave in all of your ends after you slip stitch in the beginning. And then you will take your yarn needle and weave in all your ends, and then this project is complete. And I know beginners do watch these videos, and if this is too fast, which I completely understand, please go to your device or your computer and place it in slow motion or stop the video. And the stitches, if they're too challenging, which is a single and a double, please go to my beginner stitches, which are down below, and practice doing those stitches before trying a project like this. And then also you can add a little smiley face with some yarn and your needle. And then this pattern has its final little touches. I hope you enjoyed this pattern, and it's listed down below if you need to look at it. So this is Oli, and I hope you enjoyed. It really comes to life when all of the little features are on it. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.